Hi everyone. I'm here. I'm gonna try to explain how I fixed the problem with my uh, Ecovacs Osmo 900. So I had many problems with my robot, but I'll try to focus on only this one. So basically, every time I would put it to charge, it will say, please power me on before charging. Please power me on before charging, and will not stop. So basically, I disassembled everything, and I found that the issue was a fuse coming straight from the switch, the main button to turn on, and it was dead. I think it was dead because some other reasons. I also had a short circuit on my main roller, but I'll put it in a different video. Anyway, the fuse was dead. I would just recommend check if there's any other issue, any short circuit that you should try to fix first before just going to try to fix this issue. So here's a video, is a picture. I'm sorry I didn't record it while I was fixing, but was very happy. It took me a long time to find the issue. And I just removed the fuse first to test it, test using the continuity test with your multimeter. It was dead, and then basically I just removed it and replaced by another one, and it worked straight away. So hope it helps for you. It works for you. I know it was really hard to find any information about this robot, so I'm here trying to share my knowledge. Thank you.